Do you remember when?
He's like, I got laid in a car like this.
This is video too.
Do you remember when? Seriously. These are such a good. Are they?
Try to think of guys.
Happy birthday!
I know.
Happy birthday!
Oh, sorry. I was kidding.
My birthday. Do you remember the days?
Woo! We should roast like that. Hey, oh, these old cars, you never know, huh? Woo! Fucking nice car, those today, love it, man.
This is fucking wicked, dude. This is so hot. Nadia's gonna piss you leaving her behind. That's gonna be so good.
For a spin.
She gets to get my fucking lap, that's it. She's gonna love that too.
I want to come over to your place. You talk to her.
No, everybody's coming back to my place. It's gonna be crazy.
You guys want to come? You guys want to come over?
Yeah.
Yeah.